I'll be showing you step by step how to add pricing for your products in your Shopify store. So to do so, let's navigate to the Shopify dashboard. This will be the screen you see when you first log in. Now to go and actually edit the price for our products, I'll show you two ways: how to edit an existing product and how to add a price for a new product. So to edit an existing product, we'll click products on the left-hand side menu here. This is going to show you all your existing products for your store. Now let's go and edit the price for this existing product. So if we scroll down here, it's all going to be located under the pricing card. Now we get two things we can enter here for price: the actual price. So this is currently listed as $49.99. Let's change this to $39.99, and the compare it price. So this is going to be the original price of the product. So let's say you're going to a store and you see it's $39.99, but it used to be $99.99. And so for you, it's going to be on sale, and it's used to display a markdown. And so typically it's going to show with that cross through, as that's not the actual price. To finalize those changes, we just hit save. Let's go and preview how this looks, and we can see the actual price. So again, this is the price that is going to be charged to the customer. Then here's the compare it price. Overall, it's super easy to go and edit the price. And if we were to add a new product, we can scroll down and just edit the price in the same field here. And this is going to apply to any product here that you're creating or editing in your Shopify store. If you want to do this by bulk, there are apps available on the Shopify App Store which let you do so. And if you're using any type of drop shipping or product importing app, it typically will also allow you to create pricing rules, make it super easy to set the price. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor PRODKIT comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations. You can see how profitable your store actually is. It syncs seamlessly with all your different ad platforms and has many different cost of goods sold integrations, such as CJ Dropshipping, Printify, Printful, ShipHero, and many others. You're going to get a ton of different analytics, reports, and metrics, so you can decide how to make smarter business decisions. There's a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for yourself. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can also find it on the Shopify App Store by searching for PRODKIT and then looking for this logo in the top left. So this concludes the video here on how to add pricing for your products in your Shopify store.